Did you know that there are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? It's estimated that our planet is home to around 3 trillion trees, while the Milky Way contains only about 100 to 400 billion stars. The estimate of 3 trillion trees on Earth comes from various studies and surveys conducted by scientists. These studies involve satellite imagery, ground-based observations, and mathematical models to estimate the global tree population. In contrast, the estimate of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is based on astronomical observations and calculations, taking into account factors such as the density of stars in different regions of the galaxy and the size of the Milky Way itself. By comparing these estimates, we can see that Earth hosts a remarkable abundance of trees compared to the number of stars in our galaxy.